Sally and Jack are thinking about remodeling or even building a new custom home. First, they go to a designer. They pay thousands of dollars and start making plans for the home of their dreams. But they never discuss their budget. They just keep drawing and drawing and drawing. So when Sally and Jack take their designs and finally start talking to builders, the bids are more than they ever imagined. They have to go back to the designer and spend even more to scale back their vision and simplify their plans, and then back to the builders for a new set of bids, and so on and so on. When the work on their new home is finally finished, it comes in late and still over budget. Sally and Jack are so disappointed. It's not what they dreamed of at all. Now, meet Mary and Dave. They're using a design-build company like California Design Build, where builders and designers work as a single team. Mary and Dave describe what they want, what they need, and they define their budget. They learn about their options and their alternatives and how they can save time and money. As a result, they're able to make better decisions and reach their goals without breaking the bank. From the plans and specifications, to the schedules, to the budget, everyone involved is on the same page and they know what to expect. When construction is done, their new home is beautiful. It comes in on time and on budget without all the headaches, and Mary and Dave couldn't be happier. Here at California Design Build, we've been using the design-build process for more than 30 years. We wrote the book on stress-free construction. Contact us today for a free phone consultation at www.cadesign-build.com.